Okay, can you see the screen, students? Is it visible for all? Is it visible for all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Ivan, Okay, Ivan, can you tell me what do you mean by cardio?
Cardio.
Yes, cardio means what?
Cardio.
Uh-huh. Okay, your voice is not clear. You write in the chat box then. You type in the chat box. Actually, your voice is not clear. Cardio means?
Cardio means
Your voice is not clear, Ivan. Ivan, you type in the chat box.
ma'am.
You type in the chat box. Your voice is not clear. I can't hear you.
It's not.
Uh-huh. You type in the chat box. Your voice is not clear. Yeah, Ivan, you can't hear me or what?
Yes, I can.
Okay, if you can hear me, you do one thing. You type the meaning of cardio in the chat box. You type in the chat box. Oh, you already there. Okay, heart. Okay, vascular means Ivan Rihun. Vascular means you type in the chat box. Vascular means you type in the chat box, please. Yes, Ivan, you type in the chat box. Okay, dynasty. Can you hear me? Dynasty. Okay, Aseng. Can you hear me? Aseng. Aseng Modi. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aseng, can you tell me what do you mean by vascular? Vascular means what? Cardio means heart, right? And vascular means
Yes, ma'am.
what?
Mm.
Huh? Vascular means what? Aseng. Okay, do you know or not? Okay, dynasty vascular means Dynasty. Vascular means what? Grapho. Grapho. Hasina. Hasina. Vascular means what? Jondeep.
Ma'am,
Jondeep.
muscular means
Not muscular. Vascular. Vascular.
vascular.
Vascular, right? Cardio means heart. Vascular means what?
Vascular means tissue, the outer tissue system.
What system?
Tissue system. Or was
Tissue system. Did I explain to you like that? Can you say this, Jondeep?
yes, ma'am.
So vascular means what? Say
Blood vessels.
yes. Not tissue system. Understand? Blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. Cardio means heart. The heart helps in what? In pumping of the blood, in circulation of the heart. In circulation of the blood means constant. That means what? Endless, continuous. Understand? And blood vessels means vascular means blood vessels. Blood vessels they helps in what? They helps the heart in uh, going through. I mean the blood goes through the blood vessels, and with the help of that, like they supply the blood. Okay, the blood is flown there, and after the blood is being flown there, they go and supply to the different parts of the organs or different parts of your body. Is it clear, everyone? It's a very simple
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
If you get stuck in this first slide itself, what will happen? Did you understand, everyone? This
Yes, ma'am.
part? Okay. Okay, next, Kajal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kajal, can you tell me uh, about the size, about the anatomical structure of the heart?
Ma'am, size.
Anatomical structure of the heart. How does the heart look like? Okay, what is the size of the
Ma'am,
heart? What is the length of the heart?
ma'am, it's size, ma'am, like on our fist.
Okay, first, on the space I know, but you first tell me what does the heart look like?
Concept.
Cone shape. And they are what organ? I mentioned something, means organ. Organ I mentioned. Yes? Some organ name I have mentioned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the name of that organ?
Uh, something. Hello,
Holo, not
hello,
hello.
muscular. Oh,
Holo.
hollow muscular
H-O-L-L-O-W.
organ.
Huh. It is a hollow muscular organ. Hollow, why? Because a hole is there, okay, so that the blood can pass. That's why it's hollow. Muscular means they are made up of muscles. Okay, organ because it is an organ. Okay. So the size of the heart is like what? The honest fist, right? And what is the
Yes,
length
ma'am.
of the heart?
10 centimeter.
10 cent. Are you sure? 10 centimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the weight?
22 to and 225 gram.
Okay. That is for whom?
Omen.
Woman, that is a female, right? And for male,
Yes, ma'am. 310 gram.
110 gram for male, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, it's approximately. Understand? Approximately, you'll get this much. Okay. Next, Lakshmi Chakma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshmi Chakma. Can you tell me the three layers of the heart? The name of the three layers of the heart.
Ma'am, once more.
Three layers of the heart. Three layers of the heart. The names.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, three layers of the heart.
Epicardium
Epicardium, then
and
epicardium, and after that
myocardium.
myocardium, endocardium. Okay. Okay, so these are the three layers of the heart. Okay. Okay, Mari De Burma. Mari De Burma. Okay, Miracle. Miracle Fancon. Okay, Miracle, where is the heart located? Where is the heart situated?
The heart is lie in the thorax cavities in the uh, uh, mediastinum.
Mediastinum. Mediastinum. You say?
Mediastinum.
Okay,
It is the
mediastinum means
space.
what?
It is the space between the lungs.
Okay, the space means in between the lungs. Okay, good. Okay, next, Nafisisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nafisisha, can you please explain about the circulatory system of the heart?
Ma'am, the deoxygenated blood, it enters from the superior vena cava, and then it enters to the right atrium.
Superior and what? Superior vena cava and what?
The blood enters from the superior vena cava.
Which blood?
Deoxygenated blood,
Deoxygenated means?
which is
Deoxygenated means absence of oxygen, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Continue.
And it enters into the right atrium,
Hmm.
and then it passes from the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle.
Okay, you stop. Stop. Okay, next, Praki. Praki. Praki, can you hear me? Okay, next, Sachi. Sachi, can you hear me? Sachi, can you hear me? Sachi, Can you hear me or not? Okay, next, Sajarika. Sajarika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sajarika, you please continue. Nafishisha, she explained till about the right ventricle. Okay, continue.
And the blood will go through
You
the
you you mentioned
vascular
deoxygenated.
valve.
Okay, don't say blood. You mentioned which blood? Okay, now the deoxygenated blood will go where now after the right ventricle? Uh-huh. I can't hear you. What are you saying?
The
Uh-huh.
blood will go through.
Now the right
When
ventricle,
can you
right?
hear me?
It will go where?
It go to
You please write in the chat box. Your voice is not clear. You please type in the chat box. Your voice is not clear at all. Okay, what you have written? Deoxygenated blood will go through the tricuspid valve. Okay, where it will enter then? Yes, this is a tricuspid valve, right? So where it will enter now?
it will enter in right ventricle.
Okay, after right ventricle, where will it go? Where will it go?
Go to pulmonary valve.
Pulmonary valve. Okay, after pulmonary valve,
And it
uh-huh.
and the blood will go through pulmonary valve.
Pulmonary artery, right? What means when the pulmonary valve will open, you go to the pulmonary artery. After that,
After that, and the pulmonary artery is divided into two parts,
okay,
and it will go to the lungs,
okay,
both sides of
okay,
lungs.
okay. You stop. Okay, next, Sakani, you continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you continue. Sajarika, she said till about pulmonary artery. It will go to the lungs, she said. So after going to the lungs, now what will be the change? Something will change. It's not it. So
Yes, ma'am. It goes from the left ventricle and the left atrium.
so soon.
Pardon, ma'am?
You missed out something. When the deoxygenated blood will go through the pulmonary artery, right? That is the right and the left pulmonary artery. It will go to the lungs. So after going to the lungs, what will happen?
And we will get oxygen.
It will change into oxygenated blood. Not that they will get oxygen. Okay, if you say like that, they will now convert themselves into what? Oxygenated blood.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand? Oxygenated blood
Oxygenated
means
blood.
what? Presence of oxygen. Understand? Okay, so after that, where will enter?
Present, ma'am.
After that, where it will enter?
You enter the left atrium and the left
So
ventricle.
soon. So soon. You missed out something. You just see the diagram and say. The diagram is straight in front of you. It's even written in the diagram itself. Clearly written. Okay then. Salmi De Burma, can you hear me? Salmi, Srijana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you continue.
From the lungs, the blood will enter the pulmonary veins, and through pulmonary veins, they will come to the left atrium,
Okay.
and they will enter the left ventricle through mitral valve,
Okay, okay, you
and the
stop. You stop.
oxygenated blood will enter.
Okay, you stop. Okay, next Subhash, continue. Subhash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you continue. Srijana, she explained till about the mitral valve. So when the mitral valve will open, where it will go?
It is goes to left atrium to left ventricle. Blood passed through the speed.
Okay, okay. I think you need help. So it will go to the left atrium. Then with the help of the mitral valve, like it will go to the left ventricle, right? After that,
Yes. The blood passed through the speed.
uh-huh. Again there is a valve. So what is the name of the valve? You you see in the picture itself. It's clearly written. Huh? It's clearly written. What is this valve? Subhash?
Arteric valves.
Aortic.
Al-
Aortic. Say like that.
Aortic valve.
Aortic, not ticks.
Aortic.
X. X is not there. S is also not there. Okay, you say aortic. Say, repeat again.
Aortic.
Don't say
Aortic.
ticks. S is not there. X is also not there. Aortic, you say.
Aortic.
Don't add that S one. It's not correct.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Say, repeat again.
Aortic.
Aortic valve. Okay. So when the aortic valve will open, it will go where?
Mitral valve.
Uh-huh.
Mitral valve.
Mitral valve is already open. Okay.
Oh,
It doesn't do anything anymore. So when the aortic valve will open, it will go where? The oxygenated blood will go where? What is this? What is this?
Aorta.
Subhash? Aorta.
Aorta.
You will say again aorta.
Aorta.
And after the aorta, where will it go?
Mm, aorta in back.
It will go and supply blood to where? To the,
Makes flow
to the
blood
different parts of the
in.
body, is not it? Yes, Subhash.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't, don't get confused. Okay, next, Anya. Okay, can you hear me, Anya? Okay, you say from the beginning, Anya, about the circulatory system of the heart. Say from the beginning.
Ma'am, the superior vena cava is the vein that gets deoxygenated blood from the upper body and returns to the blood, and the inferior vena cava gets deoxygenated blood from the lower body of body and it returns to the heart. And again, the right ventricular the deoxygenated blood it goes to right ventricle and
No, right
through
atrium. First, it will go to the right
sorry
atrium. Always remember,
right
atrium is always upside. Okay. Okay, continue.
through right atrium it goes to tris 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 tris
Tricuspid.
tricuspid
Tricus, you say
tricuspid
tricus, you say?
tricuspid
Pit.
bulb
Okay.
peak. And again the deoxygenated blood is goes to right ventricular and
No, ventricle, you just say ventricle. Ventricle.
ventricle
Okay.
and again the deoxygenated blood is goes through a pulmonary valve and again it goes to pulmonary arterium
Artery.
artery and again
Artery. Okay, stop. Okay, Tabayakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you continue. It goes to the pulmonary artery after that.
After that, they goes to lungs, and
Okay,
after
pulmonary
that,
artery is divided into how many parts?
two.
Two, right and left, right? Okay.
Yes, and after that, the oxygenated blood convert into oxygenated blood.
Okay, where it will go? Directly
Pulmonary
it will get converted or what? Just like that. This where it will go?
lung.
Okay, lungs. Okay, after that?
After that, left atrium.
No.
Entered the left
It will enter through where? I mean, where it will enter again in the heart, right? So which side they
yes,
will enter?
or left atrium.
No. Obviously, left atrium they will enter, but before entering the left atrium, where we will enter? What is this? You read out. Read out, Tabayakal. What is this? Huh? Pulmonary veins, is not it? So it will enter through the pulmonary veins and after that it will enter in the left atrium. Okay, you continue.
After with the mitral valve, uh, 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 left ventricle after again
Hmm.
the
Okay, after aorta. Okay, are you clear now, Tabayakal?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Tashi, will you be able to say everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you please say then, starting from beginning.
Ma'am, superior vena cava, which supplies deoxygenated blood,
Hmm.
and inferior vena cava, which supplies oxygenated blood.
What blood? Which blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Ma'am, superior vena cava supplies deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated, right? So, okay, I'll just ask
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Deoxygenated means
Absent
it is presence of oxygen or absence of oxygen. Deoxygenated blood. You say that.
absence of oxygen, ma'am.
Absence. Okay. So, what is the name of this valve? This one.
Ma'am, which one?
This one. You can see the arrow. I'm moving.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the name of this valve?
Tricuspid valve.
Okay. Okay. It will enter to the left, right ventricle right now. Okay. After that, what is the name of this valve?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of this valve?
Pulmonary valve.
Okay,
Pulmonary
pulmonary
valve.
valve. Okay, I'll just ask you the name of the valves. Okay, what is the name of this valve?
Mitral valve.
Okay, mitral valve. And what about this? What is the name of this valve?
Aorta valve.
Aortic. You say aortic, not aorta. Aorta is different.
Oh, aortic, ma'am. Sorry.
Aortic.
Aortic, ma'am.
Okay, and the heart is divided into septum, right? So what is the name of the septum, which is in the lower side? What is this? What is this? You please read out. What is this septum? What is the name of the septum which lies below, which lies downside? Tashi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the septum which lies below, that is downside? You read out.
Inferior vena
Read
cava.
out this septum. I'm saying about septum, not vena cava. Septum.
Oh, ventricular septum.
Okay, ventricular septum. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the upper part, what is the name of the septum?
Arterial
Atrial.
septum.
Atrial septum. Understand?
Atrial.
It will be
Yes,
easy
ma'am.
only, like atrial means atrial septum. Why? Because it lies above, right? A. And ventricular septum. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Downside. V. That's why
Yes, ma'am.
downside. It will be easy in that way if you remember in that way. Okay. Okay, then is it clear, everyone, about the circulatory system of the heart? I hope it's clear to you all now. Everyone, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
then that's
ma'am.
all for today's class.